Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today we are going to talk about a new things about GPT-5. So, what is GPT-5? As you know, we are now currently using ChatGPT and other chatbots. Now we are currently using ChatGPT 4.0, and you know that it's still useful, but it can be more useful. For now, we're going to talk about GPT-5 adapted humanoid robots. So, OpenAI co-worked with Figure AI to create a new humanoid. So, OpenAI wants to make a working turkey humanoid robot smarter. Figure's founder, Brad Adcock, says a new partnership with OpenAI could help its robots hold conversation and learn from its mistake. So, this is the Figure AI, which is now a humanoid robot that is adapted with ChatGPT 5. Just a few years ago, attempts and autonomous, humans shaped by Deeper robots were laughable and far-fetched. As you know, the humanoid robots were just the laughingstocks for everyone, because they thought it was impossible or a few years or few centuries behind. But as Tesla showed a new humanoid robot that can do anything they can want. So OpenAI developed next generation AI, which is an AI model for humanoid robots. So this is the latest one of Figure AI. And as you can see, it says powered by OpenAI ChatGPT.
Hey, Figure One, what do you see right now?
And you can also see that the UI is similar to just voice chatting with ChatGPT and a person asking, what do you see?
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table, a drying rack with cups and a plate, and you standing nearby with your hand on the table.
Great.
So as you see, this Figure AI can sense all these dishes, cups, apple, and even
a plate.
A hand on his table, and he says he can see that.
Sure thing. With your hand on the table.
Great. Can I have something to eat?
And the person asks if he can get something to eat.
Sure thing.
And as you see, this Figure AI took an apple and gave it to the person. So this AI can define what is eatable and what is non-eatable.
Great.
And as you see, the person puts trashes on the dish.
Can you explain why you did what you just did while you pick up this trash?
And the person tells Figure AI to explain why did they give the apple to him while he is putting the trash back to the bin.
On it. So I gave you the apple because it's the only edible item I could provide you with from the table.
And as you see, the Figure AI takes trashes and put it back to the place it was. In the same time, he explains why he gave the apple to him. He said, because this was only eatable item, eatable food in the table.
Great. So, based on the scene right now, where do you think the dishes in front of you go next?
And the person asks, where will this dish go inside this scene right now?
The dishes on the table, like that plate and cup, are likely to go into the drying rack next.
Great. Can you put them there?
And it says this dish should go inside drying place so it can get dried, and The person asked the figure AI to do that.
Of course.
And as you see, this figure AI puts all its dishes and cups into the drying place. So this AI recognize this GPT-5 lets him recognize everything that person said, and it changes to its own word, it speaks and like that.
All right, so how do you think you did?
And the person asked how he did it, and
I, I think I did pretty well. The apple found its new owner, the trash is gone, and the tableware is right where it belongs.
now the GPT, this GPT adaptive humanoid, this figure AI said he think he did pretty well. So the AI can now think how he did well or bad, and he also recognized all his actions before.
I agree. Thanks, Figure One.
You're welcome. If there's anything else you need help with, just let me know.
So this GPT-5 is getting better and better, and this GPT-5 can make a new word. So we saw how GPT-5 works now, how the things about GPT-5 adapted figure AI, and now let's move on to Sora. So you might be asking, what is Sora? So I will show you. When you type Sora in the Chrome, you will see OpenAI made it. So Sora is a program software that creates video from text. So you can create any video you want from text by using AI. So when you go here to this website, you will see some airplane, paper planes are going somewhere like this, and you might thinking, oh, this is very nice. And this is made by Sora. You can think that Sora is a new engine, a new world, a new creation. So when you go down, you'll see this video is even from Sora. So you see it takes a shot of a person, main person, and even the rest of them, and like this, and this is only made by Sora. And as you see, even Sora detects and knows how should the light rays should be reflected on the sunglasses, so it reflects it. So you can see closely here that everything here is reflected, and it even makes dots and other things from a human. So you can think this can really take a shot really easily. You can use it to your movies like that. It looks really realistic. And now Hollywood is trying to use Sora for their movies even. Let's look at the next video. The next video is Mammoth. So it's just a short video, this one, but as you can see, you can just type a prompt of a mammoth, and this mammoth will come out just a few seconds, and really realistic. And even this one is like a movie, and it automatically changes its place and like that, camera shots like this. It can create a movie in just a few seconds. So it's all done now. The next one, as you see, this one is the environment. So these waves are really realistic, as you see, and you might think this is just AI generated place, but this is a real world that is in USA. This one is just a little small animation. Like a Pixar. This one is underwater. And this one is of a bird that really exists in the real world. You can see its motion is really realistic. It is just as it is in the real world. And this one is a coffee and a pirate ship. And now I will show you most amazing thing. Look at the first one. With just 2 lines of prompts, just a few lines of prompts, it can generate this video. It says a stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm glowing neon and animated city scenage. She wears a black leather jacket, long red dress, and black boots. This one, a silver mammoths approach trending through a snowy meadow. Their long woolly fur lightly blows in the wind as they work. Snow-covered trees and dramatic snow. Like this. A movie trailer featuring advantage of 30-year-old spaceman wearing a red wool knitted motorcycle helmet, blue sky, salt desert, cinematic style, shot on 35mm film, vivid colors. So you can even give them the style and which lens are you going to use. This one is drone view of waves crash against rugged cliff along Big Sur's Garey Point Beach. The crashing blue waters create white-tipped waves, the golden light of the setting sunlight and other things like that. And with just a few prompts, it can generate a really nice video. Even this one's also generated by Sora. Real eye like you can generate things that doesn't even exist in the world. So it also has like realistic following thing, and there's a person in the train, and as you see, it even detects, look, in the light space the person is not reflected, but as it enters a dark space, it is now, you can see that people is reflected. So it detects the light and knows what to do. And as you see, there's Sora is still in development, and if you see that there was 2 dogs and 1 dog dividing into 2 dogs, and 1 dog to 2 dogs, and it becomes 1 dog again, like this. It keep duplicates. So that there's small problems in the Sora still, but it's still nice videos. So like this. I cannot believe that all these videos are created by Sora in just a few seconds and minutes. So there's some people saying that they use Unreal Engine to teach Sora, because when you go here, I think this video, yes, this video, yes, that you can use it to 100,000 times in a real game, because already games has a physics engine like that, so they can study right there and then do this kind of things, simulation, and then generate to a video. They might train the Sora like that. And also, Sora can combine videos together. So as you see, these two videos are added, and as you see, Sora creates a video where two things are combined. And as you can see here, it changes smoothly. So as the time goes on, the video changes smoothly, and as you see, these two videos combined and it changes to like a Waterland, Colosseum, and back to the first video. And also this one, it combines two video, and you can see that as the time goes on, it changes and comes back to its original video. So this is why Sora is really amazing. Sora can knows which parts should they cut, should they make a transition, so that everything goes well. So stock footage can be displaced easily because there will be lots of, as the time goes on, their Sora will get developed better and improve its own skills, and then like video stock sites like Envato will be deleted or may get less of people, because as you know that the people doesn't use that anymore because they can generate anything they want. So it might be hard or easier, and at the end of 2025 Sora will be released, so you can freely use it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.